Uy, may chicks. Kakausapin ko nga yan. Ayan, kasama natin. Ang pangalan niyo po?
Kate Alvar.
Ayan, hello Kate. So matanong ka lang, what do you do for a living?
I'm actually a financial wealth planner with FWD. Okay lang sabihin company.
Sure.
Okay, so FWD. Bakit mo natanong?
Grabe kasi, napakaganda. Napakaganda mo. And alam mo sa mga viewers natin, kung ikaw, simple lang yung pamuhay, ano kayo ma-advise mo para mapunta sila sa level mo?
Okay, so number one is in terms of being a financial wealth planner kasi, I'm actually trained and also I learned na every day, I should always dress for success. Kailangan always look your best. Kasi kahit ano mang work yan, kailangan pa rin talaga maganda ka. Second naman is a financial wealth planner kasi parati akong kumakausap ng mga tao, clients from different classes, ages in life, etc. So, part of which, talagang i-judge nila ako whatever I look. Kaya I make it a point na overdress ako minsan. Ganon. And then second is, I love the fact kasi that in terms of what I do, before pala, shy girl, ganyan. Alam mo, hindi ako naggaganito, nahihiya ako. Pero because of this career, putting myself out there, stepping out of my comfort zone every day, it built up my confidence to speak to people, to up my self-esteem, to carry myself better. Kaya nag-level up na ng fashion ko. And I just feel good about myself whenever I talk to people, whenever I talk to clients, and feel good in general with me.
Pwede ba sumali sa kung ano yung work mo right now?
Oo naman. Alam mo, kung iniisip mo na since it's a sales career, being a financial wealth planner, you'll be talking to a lot of people. Baka kasi, kakatch na kita, you're thinking na, mahihain ako, or parang hindi ko para dyan, introvert ako. Please, cut that. Hindi yan totoo. Kasi, if I may to tell you that meron kang potential here to earn a lot of money, na hindi mo kailangan mag-work ng 8 to 5 job, na kailangan mo magpagod, 6 days a week pumapasok, haggard, pawis-pawis ka pa, whatsoever, is kaya through what we do as a financial planner. Sa tingin mo ba, hindi ka mag-apply, hindi ka magiging interested? That actually enabled me to say yes. Kasi I was so tired of employment work ko noon, and hindi enough yung panels ko, palashes ko sa income ko, sobrang not enough. So, walang mayaman na mahiyain. Kaya, lika na, mag-join ka na.
Actually, kasama ko talaga si Coach Kate as a financial wealth planner. So, and pwede kayong sumali, pwede nyo gawin to on your free time. So, ayan, message nyo lang kami sa mga social media accounts namin. So, tara, let's train!
Let's go!